Credit, a promise to pay in future cash, goods, or services. In a simple manner, credit means giving money on a loan to a needy person. I repeat, credit means giving money on loan. I repeat, credit means giving money on loan to a needy person. Then the role of a credit for development. Credit plays an important role in the development, so there is a great demand of credit by different sections of the society. It plays a major role in the development of the country by creating better facilities for agriculture and industrial activities. It helps people from all walks of credit makes proper use of excess money of the depositor by challenging it's to a profitable investment. In this way, it maximizes the use of country worth and enables the borrower to invest more than their resources available with them. Maximize the use of resource by providing work capital. Help the lender to earn interest from their savings. It helps people from all walks of life in setting up their businesses, increase their earnings, and support their families. To some people, loans have a lot in constructing their houses and get rid of the monthly rents. Loans or credit help a lot in raising their social status by enabling them to buy cars, scooters, televisions, etc. Informal source of credit advantages very easy process and instant credit, less or no documentation, full or a high level of autonomy in utilization of fund, free to fix the loan amount and time and mode of repayment. Loans are granted to meet all kind of financial needs. Informal sectors loans are those which are taken from the moneylender, traders, employers, relatives, and friends. Formal source of credit, their limitations, grant only secure loan so the people without proper collateral cannot borrow. Long process and high documentation. Less autonomy in utilization of fund. Difficult to get loan to meet small financial needs. It grant loan only for projects that are productive in their eyes. Located at the far from the borrower, particularly in the rural areas, formal sector loans are such loans which are taken either from the bank or the cooperative societies. Formal sectors of loan, there is no exploitation as it's the case with the informal sectors of the loan. Formal sources of credit advantage low rate of interest, adopt judicious policy to recovery of loan, grant loan only for productive purpose in chance of falling in debt trap is less, help the borrower for effective utilization of a loan amount and promote the development. Interest rate is fixed, consider the prevailing market and economic condition, and therefore the risk of borrowers are less. Now we distinguish between the source of credit, formal and the informal. Formal first, controlled by RBI, that is Reserve Bank of India. Reasonable and adjustable rate of interest. Granted for productive purpose only. More documentation required. Legal proceeding followed to a recovered loan amount if the borrower failed to repay. Then informal, not controlled by anyone, mostly high and unadjusted rate of interest, granted for any purpose, no less than documentation required. Lender can take any measures to recover loan if the borrower failed to repay. Sources of credit, the individual or organization who grant loan. Bank, NBFIs, cooperative, family members, friends, traders, money lenders. Terms of credit, different condition in which the borrower and the lender agreed before granting or taking a loan. It include rate of interest, mode of repayment, collateral, documentation required, etc. Informal source of credit limitations, high rate of interest, though conditions for repayment, undue and unnecessary interference in utilization of funds, unjust and unethical means of recovery of loan if the borrower failed to repay, mostly grants loan for unproductive purpose which is detrimental to the interest of the borrower as well as the economy. Do credit is always beneficial? Credit sometimes may be a burden for the borrower and may lead to debt trap. Credit can be pardoned mostly in the following circumstances. A borrower at a high rate of interest if borrower money used for unproductive purpose, if investment in a business with a high risk of failure, delay in repayment of a loan increases the burden as the amount grown in the cumulative interest. Failure to repay the loan may cause charge on the property of the borrower which has been kept as security against the loan. Taking fresh loan to repay the previous loan and fall in the debt trap, recovery from which becomes very difficult. Next to come is who gets the formal and the informal credit. About 85% of a loan taken by the poor people in the urban area are from the informal sources. On the other hand, about 90% of the loan taken by the rich urban households are from the formal sources like banks and cooperative. Similar in the case in the rural area, the rich households are availing cheap credit from formal sources whereas the poor households are taking loan from the informal sources, thereby paying a heavy interest on their borrowings.